camo then.
Oh, okay.
So anytime you do, you'll see mine.
Okay.
So then you hit the red button and get ready. And when you know, let me tell you something else. When you finish the film, you know you hit this button right here. Right?
Oh, yeah. Close it out.
Close it out.
Right.
I'm done with this. This is not nothing to do with that. It's the power, neutral, traveler. Make sure I get this stuff down so I can video this. The ground. Huh? What the?
Coming out that box, no.
Oh, no.
Okay.
You have to go to work.
Alright, traveler. Traveler. The power. And white is the neutral. Ground. The sensor.
Neighbor, he works for the police department. That's right.
I got a lot of
It's a no.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
They're good. They just don't want people to know that that's what they do. The missing is the neutral this way.
I wouldn't want to wear it.
Where's you have one of the ball guy in there? Put it right here. Thank you. Okay, there you go.
I don't like the way you did that.
Let's see what your ball guy is going to tell you.
I'm recording this, so somebody.
He's going to tell you something else too.
Why you back up?
I'm trying to see where you're putting, which hole you're using that thing.
It's not telling you anything.
Right, it's dead, poor thing. Come on. Be alive. Wake up. You don't want to wake up, right?
Just get bad switch.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
What do we need to have stuff work? What do we need for our stuff to work?
Oh.
No?
We only need two things. Right.
Hot and neutral.
We need the hot and the neutral. If we don't have a hot and neutral, then we don't have a flow, right?
Yeah.
Right now, this stuff in here should be saying it's open neutral.
Oh, open neutral. Okay, I see.
Yeah, it should be saying open neutral because
So I should have hooked the neutral up to the side?
because you don't have the neutral in there.
Right, on the side.
Right.
We'll take it to the bridge.
Yeah, let's try to play with a little bridge.
You're going to take it to the bridge.
Got a screwdriver somewhere? Someplace?
Screwdriver. Right there.
And you're gonna attach that to the net.
We're doing an operation on this stuff right now. Screwdriver, please. Red wire nut.
Red.
Red wire nut.
Appreciate it.
Sorry, got stuff in it.
You could use this neutral. I don't know if that's gonna work, but this will clean.
A small one.
That's orange.
There's an orange one right there. It's an orange one.
So when we put a bridge, what that bridge called?
So that takes all the neutrals together.
What is that little bridge called?
Is that a pigtail?
Pigtail.
Right, because we have an extra piece of wire bridging the stuff for us.
Now you can do a pigtail, but only one wire, one screw.
So I see. I didn't last it too much. You see, I'm just saying sloppy work real quick.
Okay.
Why did you disassemble it in there? This is good. know that when you pick up somebody that's doing something wrong, then you might torture them, right?
The big ones.
I thought that was Lucy Wednesday. I was like, okay, all right.
You're like, I know which one she is.
All right.
Ready? It's gonna be all good, Charles. It's gonna be all.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be all good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, something open.
Yeah, something's open. I don't know.
Here we go.
December. Man.
There's still something open though.
Oh, I can there. There's another one.
Was it level three?
Yeah, look, yeah. 1 second, sir. I really want to.
Open ground.
Just put in there. That's just for sense, right? That's from here.
No way to do that.
Hmm? Yeah, I'm trying to get exposure to you.
In the other little hole? Hey, there we go. That's why you got the extra hole.
There you go.
Okay, makes sense.
You got it. Okay.
You like that?
Wow.
Now you're correct.
You set me up.
You didn't read your picture right. Come on.
I didn't read it at all.
Right.
I was going off memory. I remember it too good.
You did good though.
Y'all just got the bridge.
Well, you forgot the bridge, but at least you got that in the right side of the switch.
Yeah.
Most people put that in that side right here, and then
Like
keeps
it's
on
open,
rolling by
yeah.
itself and never stops.
Because that's his power.
Mm-hmm. But you see, I didn't use the ground screw in there. I used the housing
Oh.
because the ground right here is connected to the entire housing, and that's what makes everything grounded in there. So when you pull this out of a box, and if you touch the box and get shocked, that means there is some hot wire open inside the box.
Touching the box.
Just
Right.
touching it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Cool. All right, we about to relate.